Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our culinary adventure. Do you want to travel the world right from your kitchen? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to cook international cuisine at home. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with flavors from across the globe. Ready to become a global gourmet? Let's get started. We'll explore recipes that are not only delicious but also easy to make. First up, we'll make a classic Italian dish, spaghetti carbonara. This dish is a staple in Italian cuisine and loved by many. This is comfort food at its finest, rich, creamy, and oh so satisfying. You'll need spaghetti, eggs, pancetta, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. Simple ingredients that pack a punch. Boil your spaghetti until al dente. This means it should be firm to the bite, not too soft. Meanwhile, cook the pancetta until crispy. The crispy pancetta adds a delightful texture to the dish. In a bowl, whisk the eggs and cheese together. This mixture will create the creamy sauce for your pasta. Once the spaghetti is done, toss it with the pancetta and remove from heat. This step is crucial to avoid scrambling the eggs. Quickly mix in the egg and cheese mixture, stirring until creamy. The residual heat will cook the eggs just enough. Top with more cheese and black pepper and mangia. Enjoy your homemade Italian masterpiece. Next, let's head over to Japan for some authentic sushi rolls. Sushi is an art form and a delightful experience. All you need is sushi rice, nori, seaweed, fresh fish like tuna or salmon, cucumber, and avocado. Freshness is key here. First, cook your sushi rice and season it with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This gives the rice its distinctive flavor. Lay out a sheet of nori on a bamboo mat, spread a thin layer of rice and add your fillings. Be gentle to avoid tearing the nori. Roll it up tightly, slice, and serve with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi. Each bite is a burst of flavor. Simple, fresh, and delicious. Perfect for a light meal or a fancy dinner. Now let's spice things up with a trip to India for chicken tikka masala. This dish is a favorite in Indian cuisine and beyond. Marinate chicken pieces in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, ginger, and spices like cumin and garam masala. The marinade infuses the chicken with incredible flavor. Grill the chicken until charred and smoky. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor. For the sauce, sauté onions, garlic, and ginger, then add tomatoes, cream, and a blend of spices. The sauce should be rich and aromatic. Simmer the grilled chicken in the sauce until it's rich and creamy. The chicken will absorb all the flavors of the sauce. Serve over basmati rice or with warm naan bread. This dish is perfect for a hearty meal. Yum! The flavors are simply irresistible. Finally, let's finish off in Mexico with some mouth-watering tacos al pastor. These tacos are a fiesta in every bite. You'll need pork shoulder, pineapple, achiote paste, and spices like chili powder and cumin. The combination of pork and pineapple is divine. Marinate the pork in the achiote paste and spices, then grill it with slices of pineapple. The grilling process caramelizes the pineapple, adding a sweet touch. Once cooked, slice the pork thinly and serve on warm tortillas with cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of lime. The freshness of the toppings balances the richness of the pork. A fiesta in your mouth. These tacos are perfect for any occasion. So there you have it, folks. 4 incredible dishes from around the globe that you can make right in your own kitchen. Give them a try, and let me know which one's your favorite. Cooking international cuisine at home has never been easier or more fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Bon appetit! Until next time, happy cooking!